Right, this is just a quick video because I've got an awful lot of other things to do. About adjusting a steering box. Can you do it in the car? Yes, but be careful, don't over tighten it, right? So I'm going to say to you this: don't adjust this big nut here, don't touch that one, and don't touch that one. Alright, you don't need to do those, they're usually pretty good. What you're going to do is, I've backed off this here, this nut, and there's a nylocky type thing on the top. This is a Disco 2 box, but the principle is exactly the same. But by doing this you can see, yeah, now you can see, can't you? The relationship between this pair of vice grips, mole grips, and the arm. So you can see, I can feel its play there. Alright, so that means this wants screwing down a bit. And just do it a little bit at a time. Till the play's gone. Now it's advisable to, I know it's easy to do in the bench, on the car it can be a little bit tricky, so you might have to, I don't know, take the weight off the wheels with the axle stands to do it. This is why I like to do them in the bench. And then gradually you'll take out the play. See, it's moving on its own now. Yeah, so there you go. Now what happens if you go the other way? Watch, we'll go full turn. You can feel this is notchy. I don't know if you can see, it's notchy. It's over tightened. Alright. Now the problem with that is, if you over tighten it thinking, oh, I'm going to get all the steering, play out the steering box, your steering wheel won't fly back. So this is why, you know, if you don't know what you're doing, take it to somebody who does know what they're doing. But usually you can, this is a bit awkward because everything's on a bloody angle here, but that feels right to me. You'll feel it, honestly, you'll feel it when it's right. Hold on to the socket. And give the nut a bit of a tighten down. And then check it again. And that feels just about right. Like I say, just be careful. Don't over tighten it, think, oh, I've got all the play out of the steering box. Because when you go down the road, the wheel won't fly back. The steering wheel won't centre. You don't want that because it could be a bit dangerous. And also it's putting stress on there. I wish you could have felt what it was like. You could feel it notchy. Yeah, that's not good. But there we go. So just be careful. Like I say, you don't really need to know a lot of the things, but you only have to move this nut, back it off, and you maybe have to do this half a turn. I was exaggerating a lot there, moving it around, but that's basically all you have to do. But like I say, you might even want to take off the drag link joint here. This one's all loose, but you want as little resistance in your drivetrain, you know, in your axle, in your steering, as possible, and then you'll get to feel this right. Because if you're on the car, you should be able to hold this whilst you're turning it. You see what I mean? You should be able to hold your drop arm. Well, you should be. Not unless you got, provided you've got arms like an orangutan. Anyway, that's it. Got to do a lot of moving, because Deborah's moving here. I think it's next week. So I've got a lot of things to do. See ya.